Hi, I'm Bhavadharani. I completed BBA Airline and Airport Management at REMO International College. Currently, I got placed in Vistara Airline as Customer Service Executive. I would like to thank the REMO Management and Placement team for providing me and helping me for my placement. And I have learned a lot of knowledge regarding aviation and other curriculum activities.
Hi, this is Pravinance. I completed B.sc Aviation in REMO International College and I got selected in the Indigo Airlines as a AOCS officer. And I would like to thanks my management, REMO International Management, and my placement team.
My name is Bala Subramanian. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science degree in Aviation from REMO International College. We got placement training in every week, and I have trained a lot. I have learned a lot, and now I got placed in Aerotech FMS as Operation Executive. I thank very much to REMO International College and placement team.
Good morning, I am Mushrina Begum. Now I am currently pursuing my BBA in Airline and Airport Management at REMO International College. After the placement training, I got placement in Therapy Ground Handling Agency as a passenger executive staff. All thanks goes to REMO and placement.
Good morning all, I am Shalini from REMO International College. I am pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Aviation. I am also a third year student, and I got after training I got placed in the Celebi Ground Handling Agency in the position of Passenger Service Executive. And thanks to the REMO International College and the staff and the management. Thanks for.
Hello, I am Krishna Mallan from REMO International College, BBA. I am currently pursuing my BBA and I got placed as Passenger Service Executive in Celebi Aviation, and I thank to REMO International College and the placement office.
Hi, I am Shakil Ahmad. I am currently pursuing B.sc Aviation in REMO International College. I got selected in Defence Airlines. My position is Customer Responsive Executive. Thank you for REMO International College and our placement team.